Leave the guesswork out of servicing your Škoda. The ŠKODA CONNECT app knows everything about your car, including when it's due for servicing. The app can also connect you with your Škoda service partner, who may later contact you to schedule a service appointment when needed. To set up service scheduling on your phone, launch the ŠKODA CONNECT app. Choose your Škoda and scroll down to Service Partner. Search for and select your preferred or nearest service partner and follow the on-screen instructions. The car will share your vehicle status with the service partner, who may then contact you in the future just when your car is due for servicing. We hope you're enjoying your new Škoda.
Škoda. Simply clever.